Hi guys, it's Elvis from Forest Fundamentals. We're super happy to finally have these new stove prototypes we've been working on for ages now. So the stoves are designed for multi-fuel. So we've got wood fuel in this one, and then solid fuel for this one. So you can adjust the solid fuel basin. So if you're using cups, you can have it in the lowered position. And then if you're using pots such as this one, which are a bit larger, you can raise the height. And then you've got alcohol burners in here as well. So the whole concept was just to accommodate all fuel types and optimize burning as much as possible, just to reduce the boil times. All the stoves also come with a cotton canvas bag, which is the same material as our millbank bags. But yeah, about one more month hopefully, and then we'll be ready for sale. Right. So stay tuned to the site.
Do you have a idea on the price yet?
Yeah, so the stove itself is going to be £60, and that includes the stove, the solid fuel basin, and the ash pan plate. And then the mug, 20. The upgraded Condora bag is another 20. And then cups also 20 as well.
Okay.
Yeah.